Get into the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This stylish Jetta offers an impressive suite of amenities, spirited performance, and the safety features you need to feel confident on every journey. It's loaded with common sense, yet makes you feel sensational. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, intermittent wipers. This Jetta offers the perfect blend of fun and practicality. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.